Hello all, just wanted you guys to check out my makeup travel kit. New thing I'm starting in the year 2018. So if you need your makeup done, hit your girl up for your makeup needs. Now let's get started. Okay, top is off. That's how we open it. And let's pull it apart and check it out. Okay, turn the camera to the side. As you can see, that's how it's set up. And it comes with a mirror in the top. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna go through one side first. This side I have all my lip stuff. Oh shoot. Lip products, pencils, lipstick, glosses. And this is a bronzer kit that I got from Avon forever ago. Really pretty. Look. Ooh. Okay. Now these are my pigments. Eyeshadow pigments, all kind of colors, and have glitters back here in the back. And these are my single pigments, and some NYX pigments that I got a long time ago, and got a couple cream eyeshadows that I use for eyeshadow base before I put my pigment on, or my eyeshadow, and primers. As you can see, I have a lot of e.l.f. products because when I first found out about e.l.f., it was like really super duper cheap. Most of this stuff I got for like $1, no more than $3. And it's very affordable, so that's why I mess with it. I have 3 kids, so I don't have time to be buying, really expensive stuff. Oh, now this is the middle, and it has like a little pocket here, and in the pocket I keep some of my palettes. It's a blush palette from Coastal Scents. It's a BH Cosmetics Day and Night palette. Let's open it up so y'all can see. Really pretty. And this is a concealer palette from BH Cosmetics. As you can see, I went through it. It's time for me to get another one. And this is another blush palette that was from BH Cosmetics. I know that they kind of look similar, but they're not, I promise. Look. So, those are blush palettes. Okay, on to the middle. This is an e.l.f. spring palette that I bought years ago. And this little box came with it. You keep your dirty brushes, and, well, that's what I do with it. I put my dirty brushes in it, and I have an eyelash curler in there. of course, have extra makeup sponges and Eclipse concealer palette that probably should get another one here soon because you see the colors that I use. And here's some makeup palettes. BH Cosmetics. It's a neutral palette. Here's Raj from Coastal Scents. Nice, nice. I think this is the 120 BH Cosmetics eyeshadow edition. They have like 5 different editions, and this one is the second one. And those are the colors. Pretty. Yeah, my palettes are broken. These, I purchased these, like, I've had these for years. So, yeah. And I had a contour palette that looks like I've never even used it. It still has the plastic on it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So, that one isn't broke. It's dirty on the outside though. Should have cleaned them before I did this, but whatever. And this is a lip gloss palette. And it has all kind of colors of lip gloss. Lippy gloss. Lippy gloss. So, those are all my stuff that I keep on the inside there. And on to the other side. So I keep a eyeshadow base, pencil sharpeners, glue, scissors, makeup, my misting set, primers, glitter glue. I love this glitter glue. I don't even know if they still sell it, but I love that. Here's mascara, and some more primers right here. This one is an eyeshadow primer from Clean Color, but of course this is my fave, e.l.f. regular old primer. Love it to death. And moving on, my eyelashes, I have hand sanitizer. Of course, you gotta keep things sanitized. You don't want no germs there. Well, while you're trying to do people makeup and stuff. Some tape, some lashes, and I personally use these kind strip lashes. I don't do individuals, but I'm ordering me a mannequin so I can teach myself to do individuals, and my mannequin should be here in a couple weeks, so I'm kind of excited about that. And last but not least, this is where I keep my brushes, makeup brushes. So you have all kinds in here. Let's close this up a little bit so y'all can see a little bit better. You have a fan, nice little fan brush, face brush, contour brush, eyeshadow brushes here. I use this for the inside of the eye, like when I'm doing my highlighter. I tore the bottom part off, I didn't care. But yeah, on the inside of the eye, that helps out a whole lot to get that product in there and get it sitting right. And yeah, it's my brushes. Well, I keep my brushes and things. And close that up. And give me a sec.